fourth shloka of the 10th chapter of 9th canto, 9.10.24, where in this section, that means from 24 to 28, the wives of demons who killed, like Mandodari, the wife of Ravana, along with other ladies, they were lamenting and crying there. So that lamentation of women headed by Mandodari, this section is we are supposed to discuss today. So 24th shloka, tato nishkrim yatu dhanyah sahasrasah mandodarya samam tatra paridantya upadravan tatah. Thereafter Nishkrimya, coming out Lankaya, from Lanka yatu dhanyah, the wives of the Rakshasas, sahasrasah, by thousands and thousands, Mandodarya, headed by Mandodari, the wife of Ravana, samam with tatra, there, paryudantayaha, crying in lamentation, embracing Lakshmana Ishubi, by the arrows of Lakshmana, Arditan, who were killed, Ruruduhu, all the wives cried piteously, Su Swaram, it was very sweet to hear, Dinaha, very striking, Atmanam, their breasts, Atmana, by themselves, striking their breasts in affection because their husbands had been killed by the arrows of Lakshmana. The women embraced their respective husbands and cried piteously in voices appealing to everyone. Atmanam Atmana Ghantya, striking their breasts, they were cried piteously. Ruruduhu, they were crying. Ha hatahasma vayam nath Ravana kam yaya charanam lanka tvad vihina parardita. 26 sloka. Ha, alas, hataha, killed, sma, in the past, vayam, all of us, natha, O protector, loka, Ravana, O husband who created the crying of so many other people, Ravana, O Ravana, crying of others. Come unto whom Yavat will go, Saranam, shelter of others, that is Ravana, who will make others cry. So these ladies, because Ravana is killed now, so they are crying, Mandodari and all, and they are saying, O my Lord, O Master, you epitomize trouble for others, and therefore you were caught. But now that you have been defeated, you were the cause of everybody's lamentation and crying. Lok Ravana. So we are all vanquished now. Ha hataha. Ha hatasma vayam natha. We are finished now. Tad bihina, without you. Without you, kam Lanka saranam. Who will protect Lanka now? They are telling to Ravana's dead body is there. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Ravana's wife Mandodari and the other wives knew. Ravana continuously caused trouble for others, but when his sinful activities culminated in giving trouble to Sita Devi, he was killed by Lord Ramchandra. Okay, so they say na that पाप का घड़ा जब भर जाता है, then only it will blast, right? So he was doing so much trouble. Fires. They are telling to Ravana that you came under the influence of lusty desires and therefore you could not understand the influence of Mother Sita. Because of lusty desires, you could not understand the influence of Mother Sita. Now, because of her curse, you have been reduced to this state. What is it? You are just lying on the floor. Having been killed by Lord Ramchandra, O greatly fortunate one, O Mahabhaga, under the influence of lust, even though you were having great fortune, but still what happened? Kam vasam gataha. You went under the influence of Kama vasam. You came under the influence of Kama, lust. Kama vasam gataha. Navai bhavan veda. You could what? Sitaya tejo anubhavam. Sitaya tejo anubhavam. You did not understand Sitaya tejo. That means the influence, the power of Mother Sita. Sitaya tejo anubhav. You could not understand. Why you could not understand Sita's power? Because you were under the influence of lust. Yen nito dasamimam. This dasa, this condition, now you are achieved. Why? Yen nito dasamimam. This condition, you are now lying here on the battlefield dead. How did you got this condition? Because of this only. What? That you were under the influence of lust. Kama vasam gataha. And because of kama vasam gataha, because of being under the influence of kama, lust, you did not understand the glories and influence of, and the power of Mother Sita. So that is the thing here, that you have been killed because of your lust. So when the lust takes over, it's very difficult. When lust takes over everything, okay, lust is very powerful. Okay, so that's why it is said, because Ravana was under the lust, what happened? He could not understand what? Sitaya tejo anubhavam. He did not understand the influence of Mother Sita. That is the thing. Forward. Not only was Mother Sita powerful, but any woman who follows in the footsteps of Mother Sita can also become similarly powerful. Prabhupada is saying very wonderful point, that it is not that only Mother Sita was so powerful. Any women are powerful, Shakti. So any woman can be so powerful like Mother Sita if she follows in the footsteps of Mother Sita. So there are many instances of this in the history of Vedic literature. Whenever we find a description of ideal chaste women, Mother Sita is among them. Mandodari, the wife of Ravana, was also very chaste. Similarly, Draupadi was one of 5 exalted chaste women. Okay, so as a man must follow great personalities like Brahma and Narada, a woman must follow the path of such ideal women as Sita, Mandodari and Draupadi. Even Prabhupada writes in the purport in one place that even Gandhari was also very much chaste, and very nicely she served her husband Dhritarashtra. Because Dhritarashtra was blind, so she also was blind whole life. That is the kind of value she had. So by staying chaste and faithful to her husband, a woman enriches herself with supernatural power. If a woman is very chaste and faithful to her husband, then she will get these all supernatural power. Just if she says them, just by her power she can even burn the people. Okay, so Matruvat Pardareshu, an intelligent person must look upon another's wife as being like his mother. So many people in modern world, they may say that Vedic culture don't have enough respect for ladies, don't have good position for girls and ladies. But we do not believe, because we have the rule, we have the proof here. What? Matrut Pardareshu. Vedic system is saying that you worship all the ladies like your mother. Now what best position can be there? Not only one, except your own wife, all the ladies you respect as your mother. So which culture can give better position than this for ladies? Here we are giving, Vedic culture is giving mother position to the ladies. All the ladies you should as mother, and mother is most respectful in the Vedic culture. So sannyasi, like Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra, Brahmachari, Grihastha, Vanapast, Sannyas. This is the 4 varnas and 4 ashramas. Among all the 4 varnas and 4 ashramas, like somebody is Brahman, somebody is Kshatriya, somebody is Vaishya, somebody is Sudra, somebody is Brahmachari, somebody is Grihastha, somebody is Vanapast, somebody is Sannyasi. So among all these 8, who is the top class? A Brahman who is a sannyasi. And that sannyasi is not obliged to pay pranam to anyone, not even his own father, because he has taken sannyas now. But when he sees his mother, he must pay pranam, obeisance, dandavat to his mother. And even if a person wants to take sannyas, he cannot take sannyas unless his mother approves. He need a no use certificate from mother. Father, no problem. Mother has to sign. So that much powerful position is given to mother. And then it is said that you consider all the ladies except your wife as your mother. So that means, you see, for a man, all the it is said that all the ladies you consider as your mother, and mother position is like that. So you can understand that how much respect and power is given to the women in the Vedic culture. Right? So this is a moral injunction from Chanakya Shloka. Matrat pardareshu dravyeshu loshtravatatmavat sarvabhuteshu yaha pashyati sa panditaha. This is the definition given by Chanak Pandit about the learned man. One who is waste and treats all other living beings as he would himself. Everyone he treats as he want, the kind of treatment he want, he will treat everybody as like that, equally. Okay, so that person is considered to be learned. Panditaha pashyati sa panditaha. So thus Ravana was condemned not only by Lord Ramchandra but even by his own wife. Mandodari also condemned. Okay, so thus Ravana was condemned not only by Lord Ramchandra but even by his own wife Mandodari, because she was a chaste woman. She knew the power of another chaste woman, especially such a wife as Mother Sita, because Mandodari was very chaste. So she knew that what is the power of a chaste woman, and she knew Mother Sita is so powerful. So she suggested Ravana earlier also that this is a very bad decision you have taken, wrong turn. So go and ask forgiveness from Lord Ramchandra. But Ravana did not listen, and then what happened is this, the result. So even she was knowing, and she condemned Ravana. Okay, so it is not like sometimes they say that everything is okay, whatever husband does. No, here husband does wrong, she is condemning him. Okay, कृतैषा विधवा लंका वयं चाकुल नंदन देह कृतो अन्नम गृध्राणाम आत्मा नरक हेतवे. कृत एषा विधवा लंका चाकुल नंदन देह कृतो वयम चाकुल नंदन देह कृतः अन्नम गृध्राणाम आत्मा नरक हेतवे. Krita made by you, Esha, all of this, Vidva, without a protector, Lanka, the state of Lanka, Vayamcha, and as Kulanandan, O pleasure of the Rakshasas, Deha, the body, Krita made by you, Annam, eatable, Gridranam, of the vultures, Atma, and your soul, Narak Hetve, for going to your. So further Mandodari is saying that, O pleasure of the Rakshasa dynasty, Kulanandana, because he was the pride and pleasure of the Rakshasa dynasty. So, O pleasure of the Rakshasa dynasty, because of you the state of Lanka and also we ourselves now have no protector. By your deeds you have made your body fit to be eaten by vultures, Gridranam, and your soul fit to go to hell. So your body will be eaten by vultures and your soul will go to hell. Okay, Kulanandana, O pleasure of the Rakshasa dynasty, Esha Lanka, because of you, Esha, because of what and all you did, because of that, Lanka, the state of Lanka, what happened? Vayam cha vidvakrita. Vayam, we also, Lanka, and we also. Okay, Lanka, Vayam cha. Lanka, and we also, what happened? Vidvakrita. We become Vidva. We have become Vidva means we have no protector now. Who will protect us? Who will protect us? Who will protect this Lanka? So Lanka also become Vidva and we also become Vidva. How? So what is the result now? That Deha Gridranam Annam. Annam means eatable food. Gridranam means the vultures. So because of your Esha, because of your all these activities which you have done, what happened? You have made your body fit to be eaten by vultures. Your body is now food to vultures. Gridranam. Deha Gridranam Annam. Your body, your Deha, your body became food for Gridranam means vultures. Atma Narak Hetave. So yours and bodies will be eaten by vultures, and Atma Narak Hetave, soul will go to hell. So that's the position here now. So one who follows the path of Ravana is condemned in two ways. His body is fit to be eaten by dogs and vultures, and the soul goes to hell. So as stated by the Lord himself in Bhagavad Gita, Tan aham dvishataha krunsam Kuru ansamesh sareshu naradhaman akshipami ajasram asubhanaswarishwa eva yonishu. Those who are envious and mischievous, who are the lowest among men, are cast by me into the ocean of material existence, into various demoniac species of life. Okay. So Krishna is saying that those people who are having so much envy and they are mischievous, so these kind of people, lowest among men, these people are cast by me into the ocean of material existence, into various demonic species of life. They will take birth in demonic species of life. So thus the destination of godless atheists such as Ravana, Hiranyakashipu, Kamsa and Dantavakra is a hellish condition of life. Okay. So these kind of atheists who are against God, they will be having this kind of life only, that one day they will be fully killed. They will get this kind of thing, hellish condition of life. Their body will be eaten by vultures, their soul will go to hell. So Mandodari, the wife of Ravana, could understand. Mandodari, the wife of Ravana, could understand all this because she was a chaste woman. Although lamenting for the death of her husband, she knew what would happen to his body and soul. For although one cannot see directly with one's material eyes, one can see with eyes of knowledge. Pashyanti jnana chakshusha. So she was lamenting for her husband, but she knew that what will happen to his body and soul. Okay, because she was not only seeing because of her material eyes, but she was also seeing from the eyes of knowledge that what will happen. So in Vedic history there are many instances of how one becomes godless and is condemned by the laws of nature. Okay, so that is the point here. The person who is godless, what is his condition, what is his destination, that is all mentioned here by Mandodari. So Mandodari is saying you have made your body food to be eaten by vultures and your soul fit for experiencing hell, so only because of your lusty desires. Okay. Hare Krishna. So thank you so much. Shri Prabhupada ki jai. So this 29 onwards we will do tomorrow, where Vibhishana will be enthroned as the king of Lanka. Okay, Hare Krishna. So if you have any question you can ask, or now at 9 a.m. Now after this we will start our Bhagavad Gita class, so you can rejoin again, or you can be there. There will be 5-minute break, so after that we will have Bhagavad Gita class. Now from this class of Srimad Bhagavatam, if you have any question you can ask. Hare Krishna.